Hello guys, ZM Tactics, ZM Speeds Up. So quick test lang tayo ng WE 5.1K. High kappa. So natin. So ito yung unit, full metal slide, metal frame, polymer grip. Naka-adjustable rear sight. Meron tayong under railing for flashlight or laser attachment. Threaded outer barrel for tracer unit or kung gusto nyo maglagay ng suppressor. Then ambidextrous thumb safety, working beaver tail. So, quick test lang tayo, really quick lang, using 0.20 gram na bala and FAF wider green gas, sorry. So, loaded na itong magazine natin. Kasi natin unit. Okay. Firing. 347, 345, 340, 333. Okay. Kapag wala ng bala, nag-lock yung slide. Ito yung slide release na tinatawag. Release natin. Then, rest the hammer. Kapag gusto nyo nito, PM lang kayo sa page. ZM Tactics Airsoft, ZM Speeds Off. Thank you.